Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use AutoDS with Shopify. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply log into your AutoDS account and then simply go to your settings and then simply click on My Store. And after that, what you're going to have to do is simply click on Connect Store here and then simply enter your Shopify store URL. So you can find that if you go to shopify.com, you should see it in the top left corner. So basically you're gonna have to paste your Shopify URL and then simply click on connect, and basically that's all you have to do. So after you connect your Shopify account, automatically you will download the AutoDS app directly into your Shopify dashboard, and then you can start using it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.